Excellent.
Uh-oh, looks like my trunk tried to close.
Yeah, it's moved a little bit from the base. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Broke out both phones. I had to play that song.
I'm gonna come over for our intro real quick.
Sorry.
Could you put your window up for an intro? I already got it here. Just wanted all the info for what all is in here, equipment, all of that.
2 massive Gordo motors on Sundown Baskets. Cory Dean drop-in kits. Dustin Morgan's Paraflex. Aragi 320, JS 270 alts, 11 pouches.
All
Some
right.
banks of caps.
Excellent.
Uh-oh, looks like my trunk tried to close.
Yeah, it's moved a little bit from the base. Don't worry about playing, dude. Are you?
I mean, it don't matter to me.
What was your name?
Matt
Right.
Kimball.
Yeah, man. Thanks
Man,
for
that video you made of me was last time.
the first time
awesome.
I've ever seen this box, and it's still fast. I've never seen a box like this before.
I got another buddy coming out with one in his.
Okay, so it's Paraflex.
It's Paraflex, yeah.
Paraflex. Yep.
The blue Trailblazer.
All right. Awesome. Appreciate it, man. I just wanted to get some info. Thanks for the info.
Sir. Yeah, it's hot in here.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for the demo.
Hey, no problem.
Some good flex outside.
Hey, you ready for those producers?
I got button start. Jumping up. Put that on your
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.